We're doing a lot of talking with the people and the riders, informing them on the new law changes and also answering their questions. We're dealing with the ride proud, dress loud, answering, helping them out with that. Let them know the more visible they are, the easier are they to be seen if they're dressed in the brighter colors. It makes it much better for everybody's